Okay, we underestimated New Hampshire. We cannot wait to show you guys how beautiful this place is. He's not concerned at all, that guy. There's the winery. Amazing sky after the storm. Our guest, us, and then the other guest. Left our harvest host and headed into New Hampshire. Yep. The route did take us through Massachusetts and Vermont and then into New Hampshire.
Yeah.
And it was pouring rain. Yeah, so that was a little bit of a stressful drive because you're going up and down some mountain roads and stuff. Ames Brook campground was super nice.
Smaller campground, but we had a pull through, full hookup. It was wooded, so you had a little bit of woods in between you and your neighbors.
Yeah.
Very comfortable. I enjoyed that very much.
I did too. Very relaxing campground. Go for a motorcycle ride up the Kancamagus Highway.
It's like their Blue Ridge Parkway.
Highway 112 that goes right through the heart of the White Mountain National Forest, and so I enjoyed that.
Yeah,
it was beautiful. We are at Mountain Lake RV Resort in Lancaster, New Hampshire.
Yeah.
What day did we get here? Friday?
Friday.
I think, yeah, we got here Friday. We just left Ames Brook campground in Ashland, New Hampshire. Yeah. We really liked that one.
That was very relaxing. It reminded me of home. It was in the woods, but that comes with a price.
It does. So, we just drove the truck to Berlin, New Hampshire, to the Ford dealership because
chipmunks,
Yeah.
crawled in there and just chewed.
Yeah, Alvin, Simon, and Theodore had a little party under the hood, and they chewed some of the wires, and so, like, my window won't roll down, the air conditioning doesn't turn on, we've got all these errors popping up because apparently the coating on the wire is made, like, from soybeans.
Insulation.
And so the chipmunks, apparently that's a thing up here, so we've dropped it off. It's Sunday night, first weekend here, so we're really hoping that we can turn it around. They can turn it around in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And get it fixed before we leave for Maine, which is where we're going next. But so that's what's going on. So. And so we drove to 13 Mile Wood. I don't remember the river that it parallels.
Yeah, maybe 40 minutes from here.
It's up US 16 towards the north.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Ride up along the river.
Yep.
But
no moose.
bald eagle.
Small eagle. That was
Yep.
cool. Feel like
just a little cool, not much.
been
Yeah.
2 weeks here, and part of the silver lining of not having the truck with us is we've been able to go motorcycle riding. I've been able to go motorcycle riding.
Yeah. So.
US 102 or
Oh yeah.
County Route 102, I don't know.
In Vermont.
In Vermont. So Vermont's about 5 miles away.
Yeah.
We crossed over the Connecticut border.
It followed a
And
river
then-
also.
Yep, 102 follows Connecticut River, and it was just stunning.
Oh yeah. I was not prepared for all of the dairy farms and cornfields. Yeah, everywhere. Up
Very,
here.
it's so beautiful. So we rode 102 all the way up to the Canadian border.
Yep.
And then turned around. No moose.
New Hampshire's been great.
It has. This state is awesome.
Yeah. Oh, everywhere you go, there's hiking trails, people out. Every river you pass, there's people in paddle boards, kayaks, or inner tubes.
And the people are nice.
Oh yeah, people are nice. We've had great neighbors. And,
Yeah.
you know, that kind of thing.
I've just enjoyed it. I don't know what it's like in the wintertime, but
Completely different.
summertime is just amazing.
Yeah, snowmobile trails everywhere here.
yeah.
Marked all over the road.
Yeah.
Where we going next?
So next we are headed to Maine. We've got a one-night stop tomorrow night at our next Harvest Host Over the Moon Farmstead
I think that's fourth or fifth one.
in Pittsfield, South. New Hampshire.
Yep.
We'll be there one night, and then the next day headed into Maine.
And it's wild duck.
Wild Duck Adult Campground.
Adult. Hopefully, it's better.
I'm looking forward to something.
Yeah,
different.
so we're overlooking the marsh for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
so
going to be,
then we move on up further north.
Yes.
So we're
Yeah.
super excited.
yes, very much.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks for watching,
Like and subscribe.
and we'll see you at the next one.
We'll see y'all. Bye.
Good job. High five.
A water slide.
A big water slide.
Roger Peeler that had no height limitation, you're good to go.
You would have fit in just fine. Some little kid may have elbowed you out of the way, but
Love you, Roger.
customer base, I don't
Right.
know. Just quieter. It was just quieter. So anyway, I feel like I'm just rambling.
You are.
So,
And now we just hit a button and everything lights up. We are here.
the power in town dims a little bit, and then they kick on.
Generators kick out.
They have to kick on the extra auxiliary power.
All right. We're done. It's raining.